Do you love watching YouTube shorts? Then you might have seen this kind of channels posting hundreds of YouTube shorts in a very short time period. And these guys earn massive amount of money from YouTube short funds by getting millions of views. As an example, if you go to the About section of this channel, you can see this channel created a year before, and since then they are getting more than 41 million views. When you're looking at their YouTube short videos, these are very simple but effective videos. They have posted 342 videos. So do you think creating this amount of videos is very difficult and it will consume a lot of time and energy to create? No, absolutely not. So would you like to learn how to do it? After watching this video, you will learn the exact method of creating hundreds of YouTube shorts in less than 10 minutes with the help of AI technology and earn $30,000 per month. And the best thing is, it is totally free. So why do we waiting? Let's start. Before we start, let's have a quick look into their channel and watch few videos to have an understanding about what they're doing. So let's watch this. Let's play another video. Alright, my friends, now you have seen what they have done. So it's very simple. So for the first step, what do we need? Yes, we need quotes. So how to get quotes? Should we go to internet and copy a few quotes from websites? No, we don't need. We have the powerful AI technology.
Nice.
So let's use it. First step, go to ChatGPT and ask to generate powerful motivational quotes. You also can use this prompt that I'm using. This was created by me. I asked ChatGPT to write 50 powerful motivational quotes, and I have given an example and asked, when you generate quotes, do it in columns. First column, second column, and third column. And finally, I asked, be creative and use very attractive, powerful words, and hit enter to generate. You can see chatbot earned a response correctly. Let's ask to do it in a graph. I tried few times and able to generate these 50 short and simple motivational quotes with ChatGPT. Now you need to copy all these 3 columns like this. But I don't think it has 50 quotes. I guess it has only 20 or close to 20 something. That's okay. This video is only demonstrational purpose. Let's copy the quotes. And now you need to go to Google Sheets because we need to create a CSV file with these quotes. Click go to Sheets, click blank, and now you need to paste what you copied. Let's adjust these columns. Now let's give it a border. Click borders, click here. Now you need to download this file as a CSV file. For that, you need to go to Files, hover over Download, come to CSV file, comma, separated values. Click here to download. Now, as the next step, you need to upload this CSV file to our video creator. So as our video creator, I'm gonna use Canva because it's totally free and very simple and it's user friendly. SaaS program, SaaS means software as a service. So let's go to Canva, search YouTube Shorts. Let's open a blank. Now you can upload any video clip as your video background. If you don't have video background or video clips, you can search on Canva. You can find royalty-free video clips. To search it, Go to elements. You can search anything. I'm going to search dark scene. Go to videos. So these are royalty-free videos. You will not get copyright claim or copyright strike from YouTube if you upload these things. So I'm going to select one of these. This one is okay, I guess. Now right click on it, set video as background. We need 10 seconds, not 15 seconds. This one is 15 seconds. Just click on it, go to this scissor mark, double click and highlight, put 10 seconds and hit enter. You can see the video trimmed. Now we need to enter our codes into this video. So for that, we need to select text, add a heading. This is the first one. I'm going to duplicate these like this. Now I'm going to rename these. I'm going to rename these column 1, column 2, column 3. Now let's change the font. I don't like this font. I'm going to use this one, Balo Bajan. I don't know what's the meaning of it. Let's select this one. Now we need to connect the columns of our CSV files into these text boxes. All right. Now go to apps, search bulk create. Here is the app. Click it, and you need to upload the CSV file you downloaded. Upload CSV. Now, as I said before, you have to connect this column number 1 to this column number 1 text box, column number 2 text box into column number 3, and as well as column number 3 to column number 3 text box. So to do that, just right click on it, connect data, and select column number 1. You can see the tick mark and it's connected. And same like first one, click the second one, connect data to, you can see the tick mark, and the third one, same thing, connect data, column 3. Now we have connected all these 3 columns into our text boxes. Now we need to give it a animation like this. I'm going to use fade animation. Let's reduce the speed. The second one, same thing, fade animation, reduce the speed. Third one, fade animation, reduce speed. Now we have entered animations into these 3 columns. Now let's adjust the time of these columns. So we can decide when the column number 1 quote appears and when the column number 2 quote appears. So to do that, let's right click and show timing. You can see the timing. It's spread on entire video. We need to adjust it like this to 3 seconds, I guess. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, 3 seconds. And the second one, show timing, again 3 seconds like that. Yeah. Now, yeah, 3 seconds. And the third one, show timing. So let's leave it like this. Now we have adjusted the show time. Now let's connect those chords with our video. To do that, click, first of all, I forgot that. Sorry, we need to paste these columns one on one like this. And on column 1, we need to put column 2, and on column 2, column 3. Now you can click continue and generate 20 page. I told you it has only 20 quotes. That's okay because this one is a demonstrational video. Generate 20 pages, and within few seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Boom. Now you have your video clips. So you can play these clips like this. This is the first clip, and here is the second clip. Okay, cool. Now, if you like, you can change the video background like this. Go to elements. I'm going to use this one. Put it like this and crop it to 10 seconds. Boom. Let's play the video. Like that, you can change all these 20 videos. If not, you can keep it as it is, no problem, because we are uploading these shorts as separate videos in separate times. No one will remember this video background, so that's okay. Now you need to download these shorts separately. To do that, click share, click download, and you can tick download pages as separate files, and boom, click download. And that's all. You have 20 clips within less than 10 minutes. So that's how those type of channels create videos. Now you need to upload these videos onto your channel. To do that, you need to generate a nice title and as well as a nice video description. You can use ChatGPT to generate titles and descriptions, and I suggest you to schedule these videos daily. So you have 20 days to schedule these videos, and you have plenty of room to create another set of videos and upload it. So that's all. And for this video, I hope you understand the process. And if you do have any questions, problems, issues, comments, please comment below. So that's all. Thank you very much. This is Smart Money Tactics. See you soon.